Guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to you, all my subscribers. Okay, I love you guys. That's why I keep giving you some update that will help you to grow financially. Welcome to 2024. This is my new video. This is my first video on this year 2024, and I believe that this year is going to be prosperous to us. We are going to make a lot of money this year, the year of upliftment. So guys, if you find yourself in this channel, what you need to do right now is to click on this subscribe. Okay, and once you subscribe, try to turn on the notification bell. And by doing this simple mean that whenever that I upload video like this, you're going to be among the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply mean that you are going to be the first people to make money with the strategy that I'll be dropping here 247. So the method we are talking about today is how to make money using this mining website. Okay, we are going to be mining. This website is going to be mining for us, and you are going to be making the percentage of any amount that you invested in this website. The reason why I love this is it's still new, and secondly, you can still make a lot of money that you will need to invest more on bull run. What I'm going to be doing right now is that once I found a legit and a good project for this bull run new token, okay, or coins that will help us generate 10,000, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 20,000 in this bull run, is possible. You are going to see what I'm saying. So what's my strategy right now is once we make money with this particular mining app, we are going to use it to invest more in future. So let's go to the website. Let me show you everything you need to do. So the name of this website is Alpha. Okay, Alpha AI Mining. Alpha AI Mining, that's the name of this website. You can see it. This was launched yesterday, because I have been following these guys. Okay, I've been following them to know when they will launch, and finally they have launched their wonderful mining site. So we are going to make money. You can see that everything is happening live. You can see it here. This is to know the legitimate of this website, and you can see it's mining. Okay, the AI here is mining, and you're going to be taking your profit every day. You can see the pairs. This is the pairs USDT Solana. You can see LTC slash USDT. You can see everything here. This is a welcome development to tell you guys, come, let's make this money together. If you want to register, simple, go to the description. You will see the link to register, and you are also going to see the link to register on the comment below. Please make sure that you use the link to register so that we can start making this money together. I love you guys. So there's a lot of packages here. There's three packages. There's three packages, and this packaging, you are going to be making money according to the amount that you are afford to invest. Okay, so like you can see that I have 180 here, 180 here. This is the BTC miner D66. That's the number of my mining, because I registered yesterday and I found my account and it starts mining for me. And you can see that every day I'm going to be getting percentage based on the amount that I invest. And you can start, they say that you can start with $1 to $2,000, $3,000. But if you want to make a lot of money with this, don't start with $1, don't start with $5, don't start with even $10. But if you just want to try, you can use that amount that you have. Okay, but my advice is that if you want to invest in this website, is a mining app. Okay, this is AI doing his thing, or doing their thing the way it normally do it. You know how AI does this is legit. So guys, we are going to do more on this website. I'm going to teach you a lot of things. So you know how we register is once you use the link, you're going to enter your username, enter your email address, enter your password, and click on complete. Simple. It's very simple to do. So once you come to this place, what you need to do right now is to come to this place. You can see mining. Okay, you can see mining, and you can also see that this website has already mined 5.25 USDT for me. 5.25 USDT. That's the daily income based on the percentage, and the percentage is 3%. Okay, this is it, and this is the mining website. You can see everything is working perfectly. You can see that this is BTC miner D66. That's the number of my own miner, and here you can see that the mining power is 175 GH/s. Okay, this is it. You can see what I'm touching. This is to tell you that everything here is incredible, is working, is making sense to me. Okay, So you can see that this is the mining, and once it mines for the day, it's going to add it to your daily balance. Okay, so I'm going to click on this place, and once I click on that, you can see that financial profit type is 19 and 144 point USDT, and sign up give away. They're going to give you $1 when you sign up. So you click on this commission. Commission is the $5 that you are going to get when you invest any amount that you invested. They are going to be giving you a commission, and it's based on the percentage. My own percentage is $5 that I'm getting. This is wonderful. So I'm going back to share with you, or to show you more things that you need to know about this website. So once you click on this strategy and you leave it to load, so they have project 1, project 2, project 3. This is their packages. Okay, and the first one, you're going to be getting 2%. Okay, and the 2%, once you click on this buy it now, it's going to load, and you can see that start amount is $30, and the minimum is, and the maximum is $150. Take note of this. Start amount is $30 for this particular package, and the maximum is 150, and it's going to, the cycle is for 7 days. Okay, so you are going to be getting 2% every day till 7 days before it expired. So income settlement principal, no, this is the first one. So we are going to the second one. The second one is project 2. So you can see that you are going to be getting 3% here, 3% here, and the starting amount is $150, and the maximum is $400. You can see it, and the cycle is 14 days. Okay, so that's for this, the second one, and this is the project 2. That's the one that I invested on. You can invest any amount, okay, from 150 and above. That's the amount that you can invest in this project 2. So the last project that they have here is the one that you are going to be getting 3.5% every day, 3.50% every day, and the start amount is $400 to $10,000. Okay, so and the minimum is 21 days. That is, you are going to be making a lot of money, and this is the way they calculate it. That's the investment instruction profit calculation. That's 400 USDT multiplied by 0.035 multiplied by 21 principal. That's 400 USDT equals to 694 USDT. You are going to make with that, your 400, you are going to make this 694 USDT. This is wonderful. Then this, let me check the strategy 1. So the project 1 is, I click on project 1. I'm going to check it. So you can see that the starting amount is $30, and let's just say 30 USDT multiplied by 0.02 multiplied by 7, and it's going to be giving you 34.2 USDT. This is for the second. Okay, for the fourth, sorry, this is for the first. You are going to get 34.2 USDT. Then this is the second project. Okay, I just want to show you the calculation for you to understand. So this is 150 USDT multiplied by 0.03 multiplied by 14 days, and you are going to get 213 USDT in 14 days. Okay, I'm going to make this money in 14 days, 213. This is a wonderful way to make money with this mining app. The reason why I'm showing you everything here is for you to understand what you are doing, and if you want to follow us to do what you are doing, you rush to the description and use the link to register, and you're going to start making money as right now. Start making money. This is a mining app, not a Ponzi network. Okay, this is mining app, and remember that once you join us at the beginning, you are going to make a lot of money. This is different from other ones that I have been teaching. Okay, because this is the real trading going on. You can see it here in the home page. You can see everything here. This is the pairs. You can see the pairs, BNB/USDT. You can see the pairs. This is how they are trading with this wonderful alpha AI mining. So I'm going to click on this theme. Another important thing is that if you want to make more money with this website, what you are going to do is to invite your friends, okay? And once you invite your friends, you are going to make money. You can see that I just say let me test it to know whether it's working before I can introduce you to you. You can see nobody. I don't have any team, but from now I'm going to work for that team, okay? So once you click on this me here, you can see recharge, and once you click on recharge, you are going to enter any amount that you want to invest, okay? You can enter, but let me just tell you, if you want to make more money with this, you are going to use the three package that drop there, $30 and above, okay, so that you can make more money with this strategy. So you can see what they are wrote here. Please do not recharge other non-USDT or TRX assets. The deposit will arrive in your account in about 5 to 10 minutes. So what you are going to do is to click on this copy address, and once you click on that copy address, you are going to, or you can scan this code and pay any amount that you want to pay, okay? So you can pay with TRX and you can also pay with USDT. So the ones, anyone that you have, you can make use of it. So this is my unique link that you are going to use to register in this, okay? So what you are going to do is once you copy your own unique link, you can rush and invite your friends, okay? Invite your friends to invest, and once they invest, you are going to get your own commission. So this is the withdrawal. If you click on this withdrawal, you are going to withdraw the amount that you supposed to withdraw for the day based on the percentage that they will give you. So once you click here, what you're going to do right now is to enter the quantity of the TRC20 or USD or TRX, okay? So once you enter the quantity, then here you are going to enter the TRC20 wallet address here, and once you enter the TRC wallet, you are going to enter your password, the one that you used to register. It's very simple. Then you click on sure, then the money will go direct to your account. So investment record and financial record and transfer password. If you want to change password, then sign out if you want to sign out, okay? So this is how this website works. So once I click on the mining, you can see the mining ongoing. You can see it here ongoing, and once it's up to the daily percentage that I will be getting, it will shift it to this place, okay? And I will withdraw it immediately and go and enjoy myself. That is what I want everybody to start doing right now, because what is coming is very big. We are going to make millions of dollars, okay? But we are going to start making that money from this alpha AI. You know that this newly launched website is going to make us a lot of money. So I come to this strategy. Let me go to strategy again. You can see the packages they have here, so you are the one to decide the one that you want to invest on, okay? And let me show you something. So about alpha artificial intelligence, I click on this for you to know more about it, okay? So about artificial intelligence. Alpha Artificial Intelligence Mining Co. Limited was registered on December 18, 2023 with a registered capital of US 50 million. Wow. Funded in Denver and incorporated as a group company in 2023. Committed to become an outstanding enterprise in a field of blockchain intelligence. Transaction Alpha Artificial Intelligence Mining works closely with a number of well-known exchanges to provide big data computing capability for Alpha Artificial Intelligence mining transactions, supports and take charge of mining operations. So guys, you need to come and read everything you need to know here. You can join their Telegram channel. You can join the official Telegram channel here for you to get some updates concerning this mining app, okay? So it's very simple to do. So you can start now by investing. Let me click on this withdrawal to test the withdrawal, okay? So what I'm going to do right now is to come to this amount here, okay? And once I click on the amount, I'm going to enter 45.29 29. Okay, let me just leave it like this, and I'm going to enter the TRC20 address. You know how to do that. Just go to anywhere, any exchange that you have TRC20, okay, USDT TRC20. So once you get there, you copy the address and paste it here. Like paste it here. This is how it look. So you can use your Trust wallet, you can use your Binance, you can use your Bybit, you can use a lot more, a lot more. Anywhere you have TRC20, you can use it. So here, I'm going to enter my password right now. After entering my password, you can see that handling fee is 1.811600 TRX. Okay, and I'm going to get this amount, this 43.478400 TRX. So once I click on shop, I'm going to allow it to load. You can see withdrawal successful. Then once I refresh this again to check whether the money is still here, so you can see that the amount that I have here is not up to 45 TRX. You can see it here. This is to show you that it have left this website to my Binance. I'm going to check it on Binance right now to check whether it have arrived. So this is the simple way we are using to make money. Simple way to make money, and you can be part of us and make money the way we are making money. Okay, you can be part of us. So that's that. You can see here that it's only the balance, okay, the amount that I invested. You can see it here. That's the only the $5 have left already. You can see it here. The $5 have left. This is wow. Let me go and check whether these have arrived on my Binance. So you can see that this is success. Okay, I click on this. This is Binance message to me. So you can see that your deposit of 43.478395 have TRX is now available in your Binance account. Log in to check. Okay, this is it. For me to tell you that whatever that I say that is working is working. This is working. So what are you waiting for? Start investing right now. Start investing right now, because it's going to be massive. A lot money is going to be made. Okay, a lot money is going to be made. So guys, always remember that I'm not a financial advisor. What I do here is whatever that is working for me, I will come direct and share it with you. You are the one to decide whether to follow me or not. Okay, but I must always show you the right way, what I'm doing to make money. That's what I always do here. Please make sure that you join our social medias, join our WhatsApp, join our Telegram, join our TikTok. Okay, and also make sure that you give me a sweet comment in the comment below. Give me a like. Okay, give me a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever that I upload video like this, you are going to be among those that will make money for the first time. So guys, see you guys at the top. Bye bye.